In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Audacity. So Audacity is a great software that you can use to record your audio. In fact, I've been using this for most of my YouTube videos, and this is a great software. I highly recommend this. So all you need to do to download this is go to audacityteam.org. Now, you can also just search for Audacity on Google, and then you should be able to find it as well. You then want to click on the first link, which is audacityteam.org, like I just said, and that should bring you over to the website. Now, once you're on the website, all you need to do is find the download button, and you can actually find that by simply scrolling down, and right there you already find download Audacity. So you want to click on that, and it's going to send you over to this page where you can choose to download this for Windows, for Mac, or GNU or Linux. Okay, so choose which one you want to download. Now I'm going to choose Audacity for Windows since I'm on Windows. You want to click on it, and right there it's then going to send you over to this page where you can get the download links. Okay, so let me just go back. Right there you can find the Audacity 2.4.1 installer. You can click on it and you can then download the software. Okay, so click on got it right there. Don't click right here because this is an ad. Okay, so don't click right there, don't be mistaken, that's not it. You want to go over here and then download Audacity Windows installer. That's where you need to click. Now next up, you're going to download the file. You want to open that. Okay, so I'm going to click open when done. So we'll just have to wait for that, but that's pretty much how you can download it. So it's not actually that complicated. All you need to do is go to the website and then go over here instead of choosing download right there or any other link on the other pages. That's mainly where the confusion that's mainly where people get frustrated because they click on the wrong links, they cannot find it. But all you need to do to now set it up is click on OK. If you want to choose English, you can use any of these other countries. Click on OK right there. Click on next, click on next. You can then choose this, and you can then pretty much install it. Now, because I already have it, like I said, I've been using this for most of my videos, I cannot do that, but this is how you can set it up. So click on next right there, and then click on install, and that's it. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions about setting up Audacity, then let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.